Hey viewers, this is Ganesh from Getsmart Technologies. Now I'm going to tell you what is DNS and how it works in real quick time. If you want a detailed version of DNS, you can check my previous video. You can find the link in the description. DNS, its abbreviation is Domain Name System. Domain Name System is a protocol in computer networks which gets the web page what we are looking for by obtaining the IP address of the domain name we enter. It just resolves the domain name and gets the IP address and gets back the web page. It's simple as that. Now let me explain how DNS resolves the domain name and gets the IP address as well as the web page. We will enter the domain name in the web browser and the web browser check in its cache whether the IP address is present. If it is present, it will give the web page. If it is not present, it will send the domain name to the resolving DNS, which is nothing but the internet service provider. The resolving DNS will check its cache memory whether it is present there. If the IP address is present there, it will send to the web browser and the web page will be displayed in our system. But if it is not there, it will send to the root server. The root server will not be having the IP address of the domain, but it will send the resolving DNS to the top level domain, that is .com, .uk. It will give the details of that. And the resolving DNS will check the top level domain. The top level domain will also not have the IP address of the domain, but it will provide the information about the top level domain server and send the resolving DNS to the authoritative name server. The authoritative name server is responsible for all the IP address that is functioning in the internet. So the authoritative name server will be having the IP address. It will give the IP address to the resolving DNS and the resolving DNS will give to the web browser and the web browser will be displaying the web page. This is how a DNS breaks down the domain name and gets the IP address as well as the web page. I hope you have understood the concept of DNS. Please do subscribe Getsmart Technologies to get more videos on computer networks, computer architectures, microcontrollers and more videos on more categories. Please do subscribe and support Getsmart Technologies. Thank you.